Welcome to the first day of our Green Thumb release intro.
All the new products you'll see today and over the next 2 days will be available June 5th at 10 a.m. Arizona time.
This month's release brings together gardening scenes, happy plants, and seed packet designs for fresh takes on sending heartfelt messages.
We've grouped this release into 3 parts.
Green Thumb, focusing on postage collage gardening scenes with stencils, dies, silhouettes for building tiny gardening moments full of color and detail.
Happy Gardening is all about dimensional garden scenes with gnomes, pots, herbs, markers, and layered garden elements.
And Seeds of Joy brings seed packet inspired designs with both postage collage and standalone styles, with lots of texture and dimension.
Let's start with the Postage Collage Gardening Stencil.
Use the Postage Collage gardening stencil to create little garden scenes.
Start with the background layer. You can blend multiple colors here for a sunset or soft dusk sky.
Then build scenes one layer at a time.
The stencil includes tomatoes, boots, pots, a watering can, and seedlings.
Follow the color suggestions on the stencil or switch up the colors for a different look.
Use the full panel as it is or cut the blocks apart to create your own collages.
Feel free to switch up your colors to customize the scene for your recipient.
We also wanted to bring these little gardening scenes into the NPC series, so next up is the NPC Gardening Stencil.
Use the NPC gardening stencil to create layered garden scenes with the nesting postage collage die or NPC blocks die.
Start with the die cuts from white cardstock so the white areas can show through as part of the design.
Ink blend the large background areas with multiple colors to add depth.
Mask the nearby openings or embrace the overlap where the colors blend together.
The stencil includes a gardening gnome, pots, seedlings in a wheelbarrow, a watering can with flowers, and a strip of carrots.
If parts of the stencil lift during ink blending, add the white areas back with the white gel pen.
Feel free to trim the design apart to use as embellishments.
Mix the pieces with the rest of our Green Thumb release to create your own postage scenes.
To help finish your scene, we also created a collection of little gardening extras with the Postage Collage Gardening Add-ons die.
Add playful garden details to your postage collage products with the gardening add-ons die.
The dies are numbered on the back to help you create gardening tools, critters, and little extras to add a fun mix to your scenes.
The dies are designed for easy assembly with simple layering pieces.
Try bees carrying tiny garden tools like little gardening helpers.
Mix them into your postage collage scenes and any garden-themed cards.
And of course, we couldn't stop at gardening tools. We also added a few little critters to bring movement into your scenes.
Bring movement to your garden scenes with the Postage Collage Garden Critters die.
This set includes layered butterflies and dragonflies in different sizes.
Layer the pieces in different cardstock colors for quick contrast and dimension.
Try using vellum for the wings for a soft and delicate look.
These little critters are easy to tuck into postage collage scenes and floral cards.
For quick scene building, we also designed 2 silhouette stamp sets that work beautifully with ink-blended backgrounds.
Use the Postage Collage Garden and Herb Silhouette stamp sets to create quick little scenes.
Start by ink blending colorful windows with the Postage Collage block stencil.
Then stamp the silhouettes on top to bring each scene to life.
The garden set includes tools, fence pieces, and seedlings.
The herb set adds leafy sprigs and small blooms.
Try different card sizes and orientations for even more ways to play.
Pair them with the rest of the green thumb release or mix in pieces from your own stash.
And finally, this month's gift with purchase is the Square Postage Pansy Stencil.
Create a sweet potted pansy scene with this stencil.
Start with the square postage die cut or blocks die cut.
Ink blend each layer one at a time.
Follow the color suggestions on the stencil or switch up the colors for a different look.
Use the finished square on its own, repeatedly, or mix it with other items.
This is the third stencil in the Square Postage series, with more little scenes to collect and create.
For a limited time, starting on June 5th, when you spend $50 or more on our June release, you can claim this set for free.
Today, we explored the first day of our Green Thumb release, starting with the Postage Collage Gardening Stencil and NPC Gardening Stencil for building layered garden scenes.
Then we added playful details with the Gardening Add-ons die and Garden Critters die.
We also shared the Garden and Herb Silhouette Stamp Set for quick ink blended scenes.
And finally, we took a look at this month's gift with purchase, the Square Postage Pansy Stencil.
For a chance to win today's giveaway, like this video and let us know in the comments which product from today's intro you would choose if you win today's $50 gift certificate. All of the details are in the video description below.
All the new products you saw today and the next 2 days will be available June 5th at 10 a.m. Arizona time.
For more chances to win, visit our Instagram account.
Tomorrow, we'll be creating dimensional garden scenes with the sweetest little gnomes. See you then!